Assalamu alaikum. Hope that you all are well. Inshallah, your result will be announced very soon. You are anxious about your result. Okay, not only you, I'm also anxious about your result. But remember, whatever the result will be, just have faith in Allah. Since you have done your best, so Allah Ta'ala will definitely be rewarding you with the best. If your results are as per your expectation, thank Allah, thank your parents, thank your teachers. And God forbid, if the result is not as per your expectation, maybe you were expecting all A stars or something like that, and the result is not as per your requirement, as per your expectation, do not lose hope. Inshallah, Allah Ta'ala has the best plans for you. Our prayers are with you. Remember, you are ours. You have any problem, always approach us. We will always be there for you. Best of luck for your result.